She don't like her eggs all runny. She looks down her nose at money. She gets it on like the Easter bunny. She's my baby, I'm his honey. I'm never gonna let her go.
Cheryl mentioned that you're a writer.
I don't do that anymore.
Stuck for inspiration?
I'm stuck between wanting to do something and not wanting to do anything at all. Where are you now?
Is everything all right?
When was the last time we had sex? Rough guess.
Things have been, you know. Where's your book going, by the way?
Main character is about to batter her husband to death with a hammer.
Shut up.
Grace, if you're having a hard
I
time,
feel fine.
Grace. Grace. Stop it.
Won't be nothing but big old hearts dancing in our eyes.